How to set up GoDaddy email. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your GoDaddy account, and after logging into your account, you would be able to find the option of your name at the top, basically your account. Simply click on it. After that, select the option of My Products. Then after opening up your products, scroll down and you would be able to find the option of email and office. Simply click on it and it will expand. After that, you would be able to find the option of setup right beside your professional email, and just simply click on it as we have to set it up for the very first time. And after that, you need to select the domain that you want to use in order to create this particular email. You can either use your GoDaddy domains, or you can also use any other domain on any other GoDaddy account or any other domain service provider. After that, click on continue. Now you need to provide the username in the email section, provide the name, last name, account permissions, and create the password. Then you need to also provide the alternative email and click on create. And this way you would be able to create the email on GoDaddy. Now you can utilize the details provided by you, the email and the password, in order to log in using that particular detail. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.